everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyando. For those who are new, karibuni sana. So today I'm going to be showing you how I do this hairstyle. It's Havana curls. If you've been following me for a long time, you know Havana curls is one of my favorite hairs. I'm going to show you basically how to do a braidless crochet. So this is for those people who do not know how to braid lines kama mimi. If you rely on salon, sometimes it's too expensive, sometimes it's too far. Yeah, so you can still do a crochet hairstyle and look like this without doing your conrows. So that's why it's called a braidless crochet. So let's start the video. So this is me with my braids, or rather my matuta ama mabutu. Yeah, so I braided this hair like few weeks, no, not few weeks, like a week ago. So yeah, so in order for me to have like a way, so I need to create a way, and I love ways that are side parts. So I'm doing a side part, and as you can see, what I'm going to do is I'm going to braid on the other side so that the braid can lie on I don't know, on the side where I'm directing the braids to lie. That's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to braid on both of that hair. So hii nywele na braid on this side, and then hii nyingine itaenda on the other side, so that ile way the partition iweze kuonekana vizuri. So basically that's what I'm going to do, as you can see right here. So here is the partition. This is where I want the part to be. So as much as we want to do a braidless crochet, you can just do it with these braids, or just tie the hair without the matuta. But you can also do using this mesh if you want your hair to last longer, and if you want you to protect your own hair. So I use this mesh to act like an anchor. At the same time, the holes of the mesh, of the wig cap, I mean, are going to act like an anchor for the braids. Now normally I would braid from here, but because I have one pack of my hair from Havana curls, I'm going to start a little bit further away from where I should have started, so that nywele iweze kuja. So that's what I'm going to do, and this is the only part of the crochet that I'm doing that I don't double knot. So the rest of the head I'm going to double knot, as you can see here. So that's what I'm going to do the whole head, and I'm going to show you closely later on how I braid using this braidless crochet kwa wale waoni. So I'm going to zoom it. Let me show you. So here it is. So what I'm going to do, as you can see, I'm passing the needle over the hair. So the hair also inashikwa. Sijui how I'm going to describe it. Like, I'm not just touching the net, but hata nywele zangu zenyewe it is passing through it. So that's what I'm doing. So nimeileta closer so that you uweze kuona. So that's what I'm going to do. As you can see, I'm done on one side. So what I'm going to do is, as you can see, I'm only braiding until the end of the side. Yani this one side where my partition is supposed to be, that's where I'm ending, and then I'm going to start on the other side, and then I'm going to leave it to where my partition is going to be. And the lights went off. We didn't have power that day, so I had to braid my hair without power. And yeah, good thing there was sunshine, so I used natural light to do this video on this part. So yeah, basically that's what as you can see. Basically there's no formula. What I'm going to do, I'm going to do normal crochet but using this mesh as my anchor to crochet the whole head, and then the other trick I'm going to show you later on the partition part. So as you can see, I'm done, and I've already left out where I need the partition to be. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to zoom in here and I'm going to cut just the net, but not all the way behind, but until where I want the way to end. So that's where. Now as you can see, after cutting, my hair is a part of my hair, my own natural hair is out. So what I'm going to do is, what I'm doing is I want to cover up my own hair. So I'm going to crochet like so. As you can see here, unaona hivyo, I'm using my own, yani there's no net, so I'm using just normal hair to just crochet. Like I told you before, you can use without the net. So that's what I'm basically doing, so that I can cover up my own hair, so that it can just be my crochet hair. So as you can see, I've already covered up my own hair, as you can see. So what I want to do is just to trim, and unfortunately I didn't finish up the last part until this is like 1.5 days later, 2 days later, and the hair is like this. So I really love this, and wow, I love it. I love this hair so much. So that's basically it of what I did for my braidless crochet. If you have any question, please do not hesitate to ask me in the comment section below. And if you love this video, please share it to anybody who you think would love such kind of content. Yeah, until next time, bye. So I hope you love this video. If you haven't subscribed up to now, please do subscribe, like my video, share to the people that you feel like love such kind of content. Yeah, so basically that's that, and I wish you a very good day. Ciao.